Long-term disability insurance is designed to protect individuals against the financial impact of a prolonged inability to work due to illness or injury. Unlike health insurance, which primarily covers medical expenses, long-term disability insurance provides income replacement when an individual is unable to perform their job for an extended period. This insurance typically kicks in after a specified waiting period, known as the elimination period, and can continue for years or even until retirement age. It ensures a steady stream of income to cover living expenses, mortgage payments, and other financial obligations during a period of disability when regular income is disrupted. On the other hand, health insurance is geared towards covering medical expenses, including doctor visits, hospital stays, medications, and various treatments. It focuses on mitigating the financial burden associated with healthcare costs. Health insurance is crucial for managing the expenses related to unexpected illnesses, accidents, or preventive care. It does not provide income replacement if an individual is unable to work for an extended period. Instead, it helps cover the often substantial costs of medical treatments and services. In summary, while health insurance primarily addresses medical expenses, long-term disability insurance protects an individual's income in the event of a prolonged inability to work. Both types of insurance are valuable components of a comprehensive risk management strategy, ensuring financial stability and access to necessary health care in different circumstances. Individuals should consider both types of coverage to create a well-rounded safety net for their overall well-being.
Looking for the best health provider with the coverage you need? Our network of providers allows you to create your own flexible plan and help you get the health coverage that you deserve. Speak with one of our health insurance specialists and get a free quote over the phone at 1-800-410-1206.